Hey guys, this is Tim. This is a box of the Gladiator loop hooks. Comes in a box of 8. These are designed to hold like screwdrivers, nut drivers, and so forth, and fits to the Gladiator geartrack system. These are 1 inches wide by 4 inches tall, easy to fit into the geartrack. So let's show you how to install these. Okay, these are easy to install. You just insert this into the slot, and then you can slide and adjust these any direction, left or right. Then you can place screwdrivers or nut drivers through the loops. These are designed to hold up to 5 pounds each. Very organized. So I highly recommend these loop hooks by Gladiator.